What's up guys, my name is Rap and today we're gonna unbox Tomica and the model is Nissan GT-R Nismo 2020 model and it is from Tomica. I think it's Diecast. I don't know. It says here Diecast.
The garden is open it. It's a hand. Open it.
So here's the car. It has springs. If you do this doesn't do like that too. So as you can see, this is the back, the side. It is look like the same as the picture of it. This one. This is made in Vietnam. 2000. I don't know why is there in 2018. I think this was made in Vietnam 2018. As you can see, it says Nissan there too, and it says GT-R there. You can't really see it because I think the camera, I think it says Nismo. Yeah, it says Nismo. Spoilers. These are I can see it. This says GT-R. There you go. There are the lights. And I don't know what is this thing. Here are the mirrors. Oh, I think there is a mirror there too. Inside of it, I can literally see it there. Oh, so I can see this. So I can see it. This is where you put the fuel in. The wheels too. If you do like this, this doesn't raise up too, cause yeah. Lights, follow me. So and Tommy. Oh, I think this is the shortcut for Tomica. Tommy. It says in the box. Tommy. It says Takara Tommy. I don't know what does that mean. Here are the door handles. This is the door. I think there's no side mirror. Oh, because it's for racing. Maybe. If you can't cheat on the race. Oh, there's a bad guy in the back. And you're gonna pass up. I do have Tomica too, but it opens the door. I don't know why. As you can see, this is the car.
Look my burger. Look my burger. Look.
You can't really see it, guys. Oh, it's upside down. This is This, yeah. I don't know if we're gonna customize this. We're gonna take this off. I do not know how to take this off, but we're not gonna take that off. So here you go. What does this called? I think these are sprayers. Oh, maybe. I think the air comes out here. Oh, it's from the engine. Yeah. It's pretty nice. As you can see, it is just the same. So you can see, there you go. Look, I think as you can see, there's black in it. But as you can see in this picture, there's no black in it. I think you can just tell somebody else to paint that. Those are the missing things. Let's just, oh no, I think they're wrong. This is supposed to be gray in here. Yeah, oh my, they're wrong. Now, my name is Wrap Up again, so bye-bye.